In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Freshbooks payment. Let's dive right in. Sometimes you might find yourself in a situation where you need to cancel a payment you've made or processed through Freshbooks. Maybe it was a duplicate, made in error, or the services were canceled. Whatever the reason, here's how you can smoothly handle that cancellation within the Freshbooks platform. First, after successfully logging into your Freshbooks account, you're going to want to navigate to the Payments section of your Freshbooks dashboard. This section is essential for managing all your transactions. It's a handy place where you can view both incoming and outgoing payments, issue refunds, and of course, cancel payments, which is what we'll be focusing on today. Once you're in the Payments section, direct your attention to the invoice payment you wish to cancel. You'll want to hover over this specific invoice, which will highlight the link tied to the payment you're targeting for cancellation. This action makes it much easier to ensure you're dealing with the correct transaction and prevents any possible errors. Next, look for the edit or pencil icon near the payment details. Clicking on this icon is a crucial step because it opens up options for modifying the payment details. This is your opportunity to make the necessary edits or, as we'll be focusing on today, proceed with the cancellation. Within the options that unfold, locate and click on the Delete Payment link. This link serves as your pathway to confirming the cancellation of the selected payment. Keep in mind, this step is pivotal as it leads you to the confirmation dialog. Here, you will be asked if you're sure about deleting the payment. Go ahead and click on Delete Payment to confirm your action. And just like that, you've completed the cancellation process. The payment is effectively canceled from your Freshbooks accounting records. It's always important to double-check the transaction details to ensure there are no hiccups in your financial records. Additionally, communicate with any clients or service providers involved. Informing them of the cancellation maintains transparency and trust within your business relationships. Remember, Freshbooks is designed to assist in managing your business's finances both efficiently and effectively. Spending a little time getting familiar with its features can streamline your financial operations, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and walkthroughs to help you navigate your business software needs. See you next time.